JK Innova presents the Plant Module Planner. The modularization offers a strategic approach to overcoming constraints related to schedule, quality, and cost by shifting 70% of on-site work hours to off-site fabrication facilities. Total construction time can be reduced by up to 25% with factory-level quality. This method significantly shortens both fabrication and installation period, allowing additional time for engineering and procurement activities and regulatory approvals. Furthermore, by leveraging global procurement opportunities, cost reductions of over 25% can be expected. This Plant Module Planner estimates facility weight and labor hours based on the plant layout. It then evaluates and compares the capital expenditure, CAPEX, for both modularized and conventional stick-built execution strategies. The CAPEX estimate includes fabrication, transportation, and installation costs, providing a comprehensive basis for assessing the economic benefits of modularization. The Plant Module Planner requires only basic project information, including facility type, facility size, installation location, and fabrication location. Based on these inputs, the system automatically estimates facility weight and labor hours and generates a CAPEX comparison between modular construction and conventional stick-built execution. The analysis includes fabrication, transportation, and installation costs, providing a rapid and practical assessment of modularization opportunities. This planner provides project stakeholders with commercial insights to support decision-making and achieve project objectives. By comparing the costs of modularized and conventional stick-built execution methods, it enables stakeholders to evaluate alternative strategies, optimize project value, and identify the most cost-effective solution at an early stage of project development.
Thank you for watching. Please feel free to contact